Good morning, darlings. How have you all been? I am doing well. I hope everybody's having a blessed and beautiful day. Um, just giving y'all updates. I've just been, everybody's probably wondering, what, God, you haven't done a video lately, I haven't been doing much videos because, I've just been really busy. A lot's been going on, but it's life. Put a helmet on, like Miss Candace Owens says. Put a helmet on and move on. Life is hard, so you just got to make it through. But I just want to keep you guys updated. Let y'all know that haven't gone nowhere. I'm still around. If y'all see me wandering my eyes, I'm waiting for parking or the Ticketron people. But I'm still doing my videos. I just haven't had time to really upload my videos. I have videos I have to edit and so forth, and just upload and put out there for you guys. So now with the way my schedule is, it's really hard for me to have a specific day for me to do a video. But I will say that I can't tell you exactly when I'll put my videos up. Like before, it'd be like, okay, I'll probably put on Tuesdays and Fridays, but it's when I can, on a weekly basis, put up a video. So I just want to keep you guys posted. If you guys have any topics or anything like that y'all want me to talk about, food-wise, or because I have 2 channels too, and I have a cooking channel for Jackie's Cooking. If you have any food dishes or stuff you want to talk about, you want me to cook, to show you how to cook, leave it in the comment section. So I just wanted to come on here and say to you guys that I love you all. Thank you for your support. Okay, thank you. My channel is growing. It takes a minute. This YouTube stuff is not easy. I mean, you could come on YouTube and think, oh my God, I'm gonna come on here and become viral. It does not work like that. It does not work like that. It's it's a lot of work, but if you have the passion, you have topics that you want to talk about and you want to share with the world, go on there. You just got to be consistent. And it took me years just to get, well, when did I first start this YouTube channel? I started my YouTube channels in 2020. That's when the height of the pandemic. And that, that's when I really started talking and stuff like that about my food and started cooking more and so forth. But I will say that it's a process. Sometimes it can be aggravating because I'm like, how come this person is going around, all they do is do pranks, and they are viral and they have millions and millions of subscribers, thousands and thousands or millions and I'm sitting here cooking food. What do I gotta do? Prank people in order for me to get a lot of subscribers? But again, everybody has their niche. What's for you is for you. That's what I've learned. What's for you is for you. I love to do cooking, so that's my niche. So I know my time is coming. With hard work and patience, it will be there. So you just gotta be patient. I'm looking out for Ticketron, baby, because they will ticket you out here. They will. And plus I have somebody else who's like, can you watch my car while I run upstairs? So I mean, besides this, I do have a job. Okay. So we're just sitting here waiting for parking. But anyway, that's the like, and this whole algorithm thing, I don't care. I have tried everything for TubeBuddy, or what's that other one, VidQ. I've tried everything. I mean, a lot of the ideas that they tell you on these channels have worked, like doing shorts and stuff, and little things really do work, help build up your channel. But when it comes to the tags and stuff, to me, it's like a hit or miss. It's like a hit or miss because I think the time of the day when you post, so you got to study when people go on there. Also, I really think it's the time of the season. All that stuff plays a role for me, especially when I do, especially like around, I know Thanksgiving is coming up. Can you believe it? But you can't really think about Thanksgiving right now because with so much going on in the world, especially in Israel, I am so disgusted. I'm just like, my head is spinning of the things that I'm hearing that's going on over there with the God, it's a lot, you know. So it's like, can you really think about Thanksgiving? But to give you an example, things like that, then you'll have as you jump on board, you'll get an idea of, okay, this time is coming up. This is when people are going to come on here and start looking for certain dishes. So that's when you could start, you know, studying algorithms and studying other channels that have a lot of subscribers and views, and try to, like, you could, you know, copy some of their tags or even titles maybe, to get a lot of the views, you know. So everything is going according into their time, you know. But I'm being patient, I'm being humble, and just to get up and do a YouTube channel takes a lot. It really does, because everybody can't do it, you know. So I just wanted to come on here and say that, you guys, I'm still here. And lately, I've been doing a lot of gardening on my channel too. Because remember, when I first started my YouTube channel, I have a section in the playlist about gardening and livestock. Yeah, I do. Because I came on there, I was showing y'all my garden. Now it's like I'm really getting into gardening. Why? Because I want to save money. I want to grow my own herbs. I want to grow my own vegetables. And I do it, mind you, because winter's coming around. It's cold now. I have a room in my house, a small room that I use to do indoor gardening. Yes. So don't feel limited. Even if you have an apartment, a balcony, or a little section, you know, you could get these little grow lights for like $16. Do your little section. It's comforting to me. I love gardening. It is so comforting and very relaxing, you know. So I like to do that. I really do like to garden. Damn, I've been talking for, oh, I thought it was about, okay, I've been talking for 8 minutes. Okay, so, you know, I like to do stuff like that. And not only that, but I want to save money. And, you know, you want to save your coin, and you want to make sure you know what you're eating, you're growing it, and it's fun, you know. So you could go on there and check, because I do have a video that I have to upload too on how to garden for cheap. Okay, I mean, I'm still learning too, guys. I'm still learning. So I am still learning myself. So I'm still a beginner, you know, with a little bit of knowledge. Because like I said, a lot of this knowledge I gained was from being on YouTube. Baby, you could build a house if you follow somebody on YouTube that knows how to build houses. Nowadays, you know, there's so much information out there. So I do a lot of stuff like growing herbs and vegetables. And I raise quail in my garage and stuff like that, because I'm going to eat. There's too much going on out here. You see what's going on out here? People be laughing at me. People like, oh, Jackie, you're so crazy. I'm like, do y'all see what's going on in here? Do y'all remember we had a pandemic and people couldn't even find bathroom tissue and all that stuff? Oh, no, 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 no. A girl's going to be a little bit more prepared. I'm not going to be perfect, but I'm going to be a little bit more prepared. And one thing is, I'm going to eat. But anyway, guys, enough blabbing. I hope you guys are having a great day. I love you all. Thank you so much for your support. And we will talk soon. And I will upload videos soon. Okay? Thank you so much. Mwah.